welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add free images in your content. Obviously the images are very important. It builds a connectivity, makes your content more attractive, more visibly attractive, more aesthetically beautiful, and images are must thing for you guys. So first of all, there are a couple of things which you need to know before jumping into adding videos, adding free images in your content. So the first thing is, you might have this concept of this thing called Creative Commons. Now what is Creative Commons? It is actually the non-exclusive content available on the internet, which you can use in order to use it for yourself, in order to promote your own content. So Creative Commons license gives everyone from individual creator to large institutions a standardized way to grant the public permission to use their creative work under copyright law. So that means Creative Commons content means the content that you can use. The next thing is, it's called copyright content. That's an exclusive content, a content that you cannot use without the permission of the copywriter or someone who has the rights to issue or share that content. So copyright, a form of intellectual property law, protects original works of authorship, including literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic works such as poetry, novels, movies, songs, computer software, and architecture. So everything that is being claimed as copyright is protected. So it is exclusive, you can't really use it, so you have to take the permission in order to use it. So the reason why I'm sharing these concepts is that you cannot use a copyright content, a copyright image on your content. So now I'm going to show you a couple of websites from where you can find. Let me just close these things first. So the first website that I'm going to talk about is called Pixels. So that's the first website from where you can find free content. So here it says the best free stock photos and videos shared by talented creators. So it's actually an open source forum where you can upload your own content, right? Just like that. This content is being uploaded by Michelle Lehman, and this content is by Roman Odensov. I can't really pronounce his name. Sorry about that, Roman. Right? So this is a content by Rachel Clare. So that's how you. So these are it's an open license. You can upload your own pictures in it, and you'll get paid for that. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna type cheers here on the search bar, and now it shows some free photos for all of you guys. So you can choose whatever pic you want, right? For example, I can choose this one. I can click on that one. So I have to now click free download, and now it is downloaded here, right? So the content is, your images are there for you in your storage, and you can follow the same procedure for the rest of the pictures. So that's how you can create. So that's how you can download free photos from this side. You can download as many pictures as you want, depending upon your content. Mostly 5 to 6 images are enough for a content or an article. So the next site that I'm going to talk about now is called Pixabey. I'm going to just check everything is going fine. Yeah, everything's fine. So that is called Pixabey. It's another stunning free images and royalty free stock. So that's another site from where you can download free images. So these are all free images. I'm going to check for Cheers again. I'm going to see if they have this content available on their site or not. Right. So it tells me that there are lots and lots of images on there. So you can download any of these pictures. This is a beautiful picture that you can add. It looks great, it looks beautiful, and all you need to do is to just click free download, and you can check your own pixels. I would go for this one, open them and click download, and now here it is downloaded. So that's how you can use these sites, and you can download new content on free images on from these two sites. So there is another method to do that, and I'm going to show you guys this method. So I'm going to just search chairs here, and I'm going to go to images. It is loading, and now I'm going to go to click the tools, and now I'm going to click on usage rights. So these results that are visible on your screen, they may be copyrighted or maybe by the Creative Commons, right? So I'm going to click on Creative Commons license, and now all these images which are here, they are free. So you can use these images as well because they are created under the Creative Commons license. So you can also go on this option. It's also a great option, and there are so many sites. For example, this site, it must be free. So you can any of these images for your content as well. So that's another, and you can download it easily by going on the site. So that is again a very easy option for you to download and put and add, insert images on your site. So that's one method. I've shared the second method, which is pixels, which is very famous for the content writers, and then there is third one, which was pixabey, right? So these are three most common methods used as, so this is basically the general method or the easiest method. I mean, you can just go any of these sites and you can just click download, and that pic would be downloaded free of cost, right? So that's how you can download free images on your content, and you can add them. You can then upload the content, and there is gonna be no problem at all. So that's that for this lecture. In this lecture, we have talked about how to insert new images, and that's an easy and smart and smooth way to do that. So that's it.